Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see Sprechen section from Goethe Zertifikat B2 exam. Okay, so Sprechen is obviously it is speaking. So it is a group activity. Now I'll share one screen with you. Then you'll be able to understand how it will be. It has two tiles and how we can solve it or we can prepare for it that we are going to see here. Now this question section, as I said, it has two tiles or two parts. So we'll see one by one how it is. So in tile 1, it is Vortrag halten. Now in this you will have to give a short presentation, okay, on the given topic. You can choose between two topics. One you have to choose and then you will have to give that presentation and then you are asked to answer few questions from your interviewers. Okay, so wählen Sie ein Thema. Thema is topic. Thema 1 oder 2. From 1 or 2 you can choose one and then you can give your presentation. Now strukturieren Sie Ihnen Vortrag, meaning structure your presentation mit einer Einleitung is introduction. Then comes einem Hauptteil, meaning the main part of your presentation, und einem Schluss and conclusion. Okay, these 3 points you will have to include in your presentation and then give it an answer to the questions asked by other participants, or you can say interviewers. You will get approximately 4 minutes of talking time. Okay, so now we'll see for candidate A as well as for candidate B. So this is for candidate A. There are two topics given, Thema in German they say, so you can choose one of that. Now the first one is Finanzierung des Studiums. Financing your studies is the first topic. In this, beschreiben Sie mehrere Alternativen, meaning you will have to describe several alternatives. In this, nennen Sie Vor- und Nachteile und bewerten Sie diese. Now here you have to list advantages as well as disadvantages. And third point is beschreiben Sie eine Möglichkeit genauer. So you will have to describe one possibility. Möglichkeit is possibility. So one possibility in detail. Okay. So this is Thema 1, topic 1. And topic 2 will be gesund leben, meaning healthy living. The same points will come here. You will have to describe several alternatives or areas. Then in second one, it is beschreiben Sie einen Bereich genau. First, you will have to choose one part or area, and then you will have to describe that one in more detail. And third one, again the same, nennen Sie Vor- und Nachteile und bewerten Sie diese. Here you will have to list advantages as well as disadvantages. Okay, so you can choose among these two. There are two themes or topics, and in that you can choose one, give presentation and answer to questions asked. Okay, so for this full activity, you will get 4 minutes, approximately 4 minutes talking time. Now this is tile 2, but this is common tile for both the candidates. So this is the same tile is at the end. So we'll see that only. First we'll finish candidate B, that tile 1, okay, for candidate B. So this is tile 1. Again, the same rules you will have to follow. This is Thema 1 for candidate 2. Again, or B. That candidate can choose one of those. So this is the first topic is Freundschaften pflegen, meaning maintaining friendship. Okay, this is the main topic. And again, the same points are given. So you will have to consider these points and then you will have to talk. Okay, so the same points as candidate A. So again, we'll not see it. Now we'll see, yeah, Thema 2, that's why, meaning theme 2 or topic 2. In this Ernährung am Arbeitsplatz, meaning nutrition at your workplace. So this is the topic. Again, the same thing will come. You will have to describe several alternatives. Then you will have to take one possibility and describe that possibility in more detail and list all the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, got it? So these are the two topics given to candidate B. He or she can choose one of those two, right? Now, this is that tile 2. I was talking about it. So this will come after that, and this is common for both the candidates. This is like a discussion or debate kind of thing, and approximately 5 minutes you will get 5 minutes talking time. Now here they have given that Sie sind Teilnehmende eines Debattierclubs, meaning if suppose you are a member of a debate club und diskutieren über die Frage and you are discussing uh, about some current issues, right? Then suppose now they have taken this issue. Zola Studierende ihre Professoren Beutelen, meaning here it is like the explanation or the meaning of this is should students assess or evaluate their professors? Okay, this is the current issue. So they have taken that issue in that child 2. So here you will have to discuss, okay, or debate on this particular topic. Tauschen Sie Ihren Standpunkte und Ihre Argumente aus. Here you will have to exchange your viewpoints as well as arguments. Reagieren Sie auf die Argumenten Ihrer Gesprächspartner oder Gesprächspartnerin. Meaning your speaking partners will be there, and here you will have to listen to their points of views as well as arguments. Okay, first you will have to explain your views, then you will have to listen to their views as well as arguments. Then fassen Sie am Ende zusammen. At the end, you will have to summarize. Sind Sie dafür oder dagegen? This means whether you are for it or against it for that particular topic. Okay, that also you will have to tell at the end. So, Sie können diese Stichpunkte zu Hilfe nehmen. You can take help of these points, whatever they have given. Motivation, name zu oder ab, meaning motivation, is it increasing or decreasing? Unterricht with besser or schlechter. Teaching, it is getting better or worse. Okay. Then fairness is gegeben, meaning is fairness guaranteed or Beurteilung bleibt anonym. Or your, you can say, identity or assessment, will it be anonymous? Okay, these are the few points. And basis on these points, based on these 4 points, you will have to talk. Okay, so this is a kind of debate or you can say discussion in Tile 2. And in first Tile, suppose you are attending seminar and then you will have to give one small or short presentation. That is Tile 1, right? So this is all about Tile 1 and Tile 2 from Sprechen section from Goethe B2 level exam. Okay, so I hope this is clear with you. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.